Hello, everybody. This is Diogo from ERPGap. This week, we are very excited. We just released our integration between Vue Storefront and Odoo. It's already available at GitHub Vue Storefront/Odoo. This is, of course, available for anybody that wants to contribute and enhance the integration. Now, we did this because we were searching for uh, better performance in terms of um, being able to serve more customers with less resources, but that's not the only advantage. Of course, performance is great, and I can show you. This is our demo server. We use it for development, and you see these numbers are pretty awesome, right? But as I was saying, performance is not the only advantage. The biggest advantage of being headless is that the e-commerce is decoupled from the ERP. Of course, Odoo is a great option if you just use it out of the box and choose one of the existing themes and just start from that. If you don't want to spend a lot with design, you just want to spin a website fast. That's still a great option. We use it in several of other our customers. But if the customer is more involved with e-commerce, he search for something that allows him to change the design fast, not waiting for the backend to do it. Uh, Also, being able to syndicate the content from a different system like Contentful, for example, or any other platform that Vue Storefront now integrates. And and so that's the biggest advantage. It allows you to move faster than if you're waiting in terms of it, creating the design, then implementing and creating the wireframes inside Odoo, which is much more time consuming. And this way, you just need to rely on the front end team, and then your backend team. Well, sometimes you might need to do some changes, some additions to the backend. But let's say if you're just changing design and changing the way you interact with your customers, you will just need your front end team. Now, in terms of performance, why it's so fast? Uh, I know what you're asking. It's still fetching the products from Odoo, but it fetches in a different way. Let's say you open Odoo and this is our demo server in Odoo. So if you change one of these products, Odoo is going to connect to Vue Storefront and is going to tell him to refresh the content for this product. Or we can trigger the refresh of a full category, for example. And Vue Storefront relies on a cache system based on Redis that is going to fetch the new information. It's going to keep it in cache. So it's blazing fast. Next time somebody's going to fetch the information, it just needs to reload it from the cache and doesn't need to connect with Odoo. And uses a middleware to do that and to hide any credentials that you need in terms of security. And that's why it's so fast. So you can still have a mean and lean website and still have your Odoo on the back end, your ERP, where you can just take the orders, collect the payments, ship, drop ship, manufacture, do whatever you want to with the full ERP system. And that's all, guys. Thanks for listening. See you next time.